Our open online interactive workbook was designed to help intermediate level students of French as a second language practice and strengthen their language skills in their own time and at their own speed. H5P, an open source authoring tool, makes it possible to create a wide range of interactive online exercises that are easily accessible on most devices. H5P makes it easy to create and share interactive activities in a variety of forms such as fill in the blanks, true or false, drag and drop, mark the words, multiple choice, and more. These activities can then be combined into a unit known as a column. Here is an example of a module made up of 5 columns, each column focusing on a different grammar point: the subjunctive, relative pronouns, irregular verbs, etc. The benefit of the column layout is that it permits the user to group together several different types of interactive exercises. H5P also makes it possible for users to create enriched content, as in this example where the exercise takes the form of an interactive presentation. To each slide, we can add a background image, sound, audio, and even tips or feedback. Providing students with feedback allows them to better understand the subject and improve their performance. For certain exercises, we have decided to create question banks. Within those exercises, the number of questions is limited. Furthermore, in order to keep the exercise from becoming predictable, questions themselves have been randomized. The versatility of H5P makes it possible to combine different content types. Practically speaking, this functionality allows users to create educational exercises that are complex and varied, as in the following example. Here we have an activity on the use of prepositions with geographical names. Housed within the framework of a content type called course presentation, the student is first invited to identify countries with the help of a drag and drop question type. Over the course of the different slides, the student moves from identifying countries to reviewing grammar rules and even to refreshing their memory of hard-to-learn exceptions. It is also possible to incorporate a fill-in-the-blanks content type with tips and feedback to assist learners on their journey. Another example of interactive content is this activity on relative pronouns, which combines the content type course presentation with a mark the words content type. In this activity, the same content is presented on 2 different slides. In the first, learners are asked to locate the relative pronouns. In the second, learners are asked to work backward, identifying the pronoun's antecedents. H5P also allows users to appeal to different types of learners. Case in point is the drag and drop question type, which asks learners to associate 2 or more elements, thusly making logical connections in a visual way. Visual and oral learners will also be inspired by the interactive video content type. This interactive content type makes it possible to enrich YouTube videos with content types such as fill in the blanks, multiple choice, drag and drop, etc.
Si je la mets sous mon oreiller, la petite souris va venir cette nuit et va l'échanger contre une pièce de monnaie?
When an activity appears, the video is interrupted. A correct answer restarts the video.
Oui, c'est exactement ça.
And if the student is finding the audio difficult to understand, she can slow it down, allowing herself more time to better understand the script.
Si tu la remets sous ton oreiller ce soir.
In closing, it is important to mention one final feature of H5P, and that is the ability to incorporate copyright information into any content type.